Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to roll your pecs. So if you do any bench pressing or push-ups or dumbbell presses, you should probably be rolling your pecs because they do have a tendency to get tight. It can cause problems at the shoulders and or excessive stiffness through here. So I'm going to show you how to roll it using a little bit more advanced technique that a lot of you can use. So I'm going to use a lacrosse ball and we're going to also use a pin and stretch method. What I'm basically going to do is go back and forth. Okay. I'm going to look for tight spots, right? And what I'm doing is I'm raising my arm up high, making sure that if there's any spot which is excessively tight, I can really extend those fibers even more. So doing this helps me get a mobilization for those pecs, helps to avoid them getting tight, and it improves the tissue quality as well. Plus, a lot of people don't get a lot of overhead work or good overhead work, and this helps with that. So again, I'm making my way up the pec. I prefer using a lacrosse ball. It makes it a little bit more pinpoint so I can really focus on certain spots that might be excessively tight. And I want you to go all the way up to your clavicle, just under that clavicle area, and right underneath it. And again, you can just slide your arm up the wall. I'm giving you this view because you can clearly see what I'm doing. And if I had any like really tight spots, I could focus in on them and maybe actually do about like 3 to 5 arm overhead mobilizations. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.